Hello everybody, welcome back to the AI video. In this one, I got something awesome for you guys. You've asked and here it is. If you're looking to create Sora 2 videos for free and get this with no watermarks or logos, well, GeminiGen.ai has you covered. It can do all of that. You can upload your videos to Sora, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, even MySpace. Okay, too far? Too far. You get the point, guys. Sora 2 free, no watermarks. It's absolutely crazy. And if that's not your jam, they can one-up it here too. They've got VO 3.1 as well on this site. These are absolutely the best AI video generation models on the market, and they're here. They're easy to use. Let's lock in. Let's take a look. All right, here we go. So the first step, easy one. Just head over to their website, GeminiGen.ai. Link, of course, is in the description below. Just click on it and you're on your way. You'll see this website here. It's minimalistic. It's clean. It's easy to navigate. I like it. The first thing I'm going to do here is go down here to the bottom. You'll see Sora 2. Watch this. When I click on that here and I zoom in, look at this, Sora 2 free. That's right, I wasn't kidding when I said it is free to use. How cool is that? And if you want to use their Pro, or if you want to use Google VO 3.1 or other models, they're there as well. That said, the first thing I like to do here is just type in a prompt just to get the ball rolling. So I'm going to go French Bulldog, dressed like a pirate. You can, of course, type in anything you want here. This is the simplest way to use the app. I'm going to go ahead over here, click on the go button, and you'll see here it gives you a few seconds. It says your video is being created with AI magic. It gives you an estimated time, and then presto, you can just come back when it's done. It shouldn't be that long. I'm going to do that. I'm going to let it work its magic. Then I'm going to show you a few more advanced features. They're going to blow your mind. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. GeminiGen.ai. I can already tell it delivered here. Let's take a look and take a listen because it comes with audio as well. How cool is that, eh? And look and see if you see any watermarks. I guarantee you won't see any. Here we go. Let's take a look.
Meet Captain Paws.
Yeah.
He may be small, but don't let the wrinkles fool ya. This fearless buccaneer rules the docks with a single bark. Always on the lookout for treasure.
Cool.
Or maybe just another treat.
On the lookout for a treasure or just another treat. How true is that? There we go, guys. So that is the first crack at it. Keep in mind that I used a very simple prompt. I'm going to show you a little bit more using their advanced prompt mode. But for just a quick prompt, this is absolutely amazing. There's no watermarks. It comes with sound. And again, completely free. How good is that? And if you want to download it, bang, hit the download button and it is done. All right, let's take a look at the next thing. All right, the next thing I want to show you is their image to prompt functionality. The first video is text to prompt, no logos, no watermarks, free to use. Well, if you got your own image of something, you can upload it and use that for your video. Easy to do. Just click this little upload. Well, you can just click on this little icon here. It's an image icon, and then it says upload your own image. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you guessed it, I'm going to upload an image of this pirate bulldog. Yeah, there was a reason why I used that weird prompt at the beginning. Pirate, French bulldog, looking menacing, something like that. I'm just having some fun. Again, here you can click and change the model if you want. Also, you can change the aspect ratio while I got you. 69 is standard wide, normal YouTube videos. But if you want to make a, maybe a TikTok video that's all narrow up and down, you can do that and switch it to 9:16. Same thing goes for YouTube Shorts, etc. And also, you can adjust the time of each video, 10 seconds, 15 seconds for those of you who want to make a longer video. I'm going to leave it as is, but just wanted to show you those functions here. Now, let's click on the go button. It's going to take a few seconds to cook this, but look at that here. Up at the top right here, you'll see that it is including and it is considering the image or the model or the image that I uploaded. So I'm going to come back when this is done in a few minutes, show you what we got, and then I'm going to show you some more advanced prompt building. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. We used an image of a bulldog in a sailor, or I guess in a pirate costume. Let's click on it and see what we got.
Look at ye, Captain Snarl, scourge of the living room seas, with a heart of gold and a hook to match. Step closer and you'll hear the last growl you'll ever hear. Easy, lad. We've got...
There you go, guys. So you're looking at that and go, hey, it's got sound, it's got no watermarks, pretty cool. It is a little bit simple, but keep in mind that I used a very simple prompt. What I'm going to show you next is called Advanced Prompt Mode, and this is for those of you that know how to create really nice and fancy prompts that want camera angles and camera movements. I got something for you. Let's take a look at that next. All right, so now let's take a look at their Pro Studio or their Prompt Advanced mode. If you look over here to the right side, I'm going to click this button here. It says Pro Studio. When you do that, check this out here. First thing I'll quickly note up here, you have video gen, image gen, speech gen, dialogue gen. There's a whole bunch of things you can do with this app that I'm not going to cover in this video, but I want you to know about them. But let's go down a little further here. On the left side, check this out here. We've got Sora, we've got VO, which of course I mentioned earlier. You can get unlimited VO for $10 a month. VO 3.1, in a lot of people's opinion, is as good, probably better than Sora 2. It is the real deal. But let's stick, right now, let's just stick to Sora 2. But check this out here. When we type in a prompt, you could type in your prompt here and going, hey, French Bulldog, etc. But watch this. If I click this advanced button here, now we've got a whole bunch more options here. In fact, we've even got JSON for you techie types out there. But look at this, main subject. You can select the subject, the action, the environment, the lighting, the style, the camera shot. Of course, you can put that all into one big prompt, but this way is much, much easier. So the subject is an English Bulldog because I am, I'm original like that. So let's go ahead and make it one quick example here. The action is he's walking on the moon. Why not? Let's have some fun here. This is a neon moon in cyberspace. I don't know. I'm just having some fun here. Type in anything you want here. This is golden hour, which is like a nice time of day. Visual style. It has a drop-down menu. Let's go with, look at all these different ones here. What do we want? We want fantasy art. Heck yeah. And then any additional details and a camera shot. Do you want it to have a camera shot? I do. Let's do a drone shot. What the heck? Any additional details? Yeah, Mars is in the background. I'm having some fun here, guys. You can, of course, select anything you want. And now, let's go ahead and generate this. Again, free. Generation will cost 0 credits. I'm going to generate it with Sora. It's going to take a few seconds. It's cooking it up here on the right side. Come back when it's done, show you what we got. You can already see this fancy prompt. And then we're going to wrap it all up. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here with the Prompt Advanced mode or Advanced Prompting mode here. So here we go. Let's refresh here. English Bulldog, walking on the moon, neon moon in cyberspace, golden hour, fantasy art, drone shot, aerial view. Okay, let's go ahead. I'll turn the volume down a bit. Let's cook, see what we got. There we go. So there we go. We got a bulldog walking on the moon, cyberspace style, neon-y, Mars in the background. We got what we asked for. Keep in mind, if you don't get what you want, well, it's free right now, so just go ahead and try again. It's unlimited free generation. How good is that? It's pretty crazy. So there you go, guys. This is GeminiGen.ai. It has it all. And if you're not a Sora guy, keep in mind, unlimited VO 3.1 fast video generation for $10. So if you want to use the VO model instead, they got that too. It literally is one of the best, if not the best, AI video generators on the market. Links in the description. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.